Hey everyone, today, we're diving into the 2025 Volvo XC60, a luxury SUV that continues to impress with its blend of style, comfort, and performance. Exterior. The 2025 XC60 showcases Volvo's signature design language, featuring a sleek silhouette, distinctive LED headlights, and a bold front grille. The overall look is both modern and sophisticated, with smooth curves and a robust stance that highlights its premium appeal. New color options and Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a beautifully crafted interior that exudes luxury and comfort. High-quality materials, including premium leather and wood accents, create an inviting atmosphere. The spacious cabin offers ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The Centerpi Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 XC60 offers a range of powertrains, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and hybrid options that deliver impressive power and efficiency. The ride quality is smooth and composed, with responsive steering and available all-wheel drive for enhanced handling. Overall, the 2025 Volvo XC60 stands out in the competitive luxury SUV market with its stylish design, premium interior, and capable performance. It's a vehicle that caters to those who prioritize safety, comfort, and a touch of Scandinavian elegance. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or embark